The IKEA Billy Bookcase is a beloved staple in homes around the world, known for its simple design, versatility, and affordability. Since its introduction, the Billy Bookcase has become a canvas for creativity, inspiring countless DIY enthusiasts to transform this classic piece of furniture into something uniquely their own. But as much as we love the price tag and the storage capacity, we get most excited about all of the DIY possibilities. Because this piece is so simple and streamlined, there are so many ways you can customize the Billy Bookcase and make it your own. To help you get started, we rounded up some brilliant IKEA Billy Bookcase hacks that are easy to DIY, including hacks for short Billy Bookcases with doors, and more. 1. Custom moldings. Once again, an empty wall got a major makeover in the form of a Billy Bookcase built-in hack. The design uses a bottom trim piece of wood that matches the moldings used throughout the rest of the house for a custom look, and the bookcases match the wall color to make them look seamless in the space. 2. Fluted cabinet doors. This Billy Bookcase got a trendy makeover in the form of fluted cabinet doors. The doors are actually jazzed up with chair rail molding, of which there are many options to choose from to suit your style. The molding is glued to doors from IKEA's Oxburg line, and it's also been attached to the bookcase back for a cohesive look. 3. TV wall storage. Create the look of a wall of custom built-ins on a budget by hacking prefabricated Billy Bookcases. This living room TV wall includes add-on doors on lower cabinets with pulls that match the style of the space, and the DIYer chose to paint the walls to match the bookshelf color for a more seamless appearance. 4. Library ladder. Turn a simple Billy Bookcase into a true library with the addition of a ladder. This ladder provides function. After all, reaching those top shelves can be difficult. The ladder is on a sliding rail mounted above the bookcase to make it all look like it's part of one overall unit, and the unit features detailed trim for an upgraded look. 5. Rows of storage bins. This Billy Bookcase hack also used multiple shelves installed to appear like built-ins. They were painted to match the wall color to make them look extra custom, and they were jazzed up with a clever touch, storage bins in a corresponding color. Bins like these make it easy to stash away kids' toys, craft supplies, workout gear, and anything else that needs a home, and the top shelves still allow plenty of space for books and other display items. 6. Built-in Billy Bookcases. Love the look of built-ins but don't want to shell out major cash for a custom setup? Try a Billy Bookcase hack for a built-in like this one. The shelves were installed to appear original to this living space using a wooden platform, some wood trim, and doors added to the bottom half of the structure. Sconces hung above the shelves add that final luxe, library-like touch. 7. Entertainment center. These Billy bookshelves were transformed into an expansive entertainment center full of storage. The closed cabinets help to keep cords and wires concealed. Open shelves provide plenty of space for media storage and knickknacks. While they don't span the entire wall, the bookcases still look like they were custom made for the space thanks to the way they perfectly frame the television. 8. Glass doors. Add glass doors to create display space for glasses and tableware in the dining room. Here, a few bookcases grouped together make for convenient storage for tableware, wine bottles, and other entertaining essentials. If you don't need all the storage space that the tall bookcases provide, you can opt for the short variety and use the top as a bar or buffet. 9. Storage cabinet. While many retailers sell similar storage pieces for hundreds of dollars, if not more, this one can easily be recreated at home with some basic supplies from IKEA and the craft store. The doors are just rattan sheets framed in wood, and then the whole unit is painted so that the doors match the shelves. 10. Home office storage. A sophisticated paint color, modern knobs, and traditional trim help to make this hacked Billy Bookshelf home office corner unit look more high-end. 11. Pantry shelving. Billy Bookcase hacks aren't just for living spaces, they also can help you keep closets and even your pantry organized. This hack is super simple. It takes an empty closet space and adds a tall Billy bookshelf to create pantry storage. You can up your storage game by adding bins to the shelves as well as shelf dividers. And don't forget to adjust the shelves to accommodate tall items. 12. Woven storage baskets. This bookshelf is kept looking nice and airy due to the glassware and greenery present. Plus, instead of solid cabinet doors, it uses a row of woven baskets for storage. It also makes use of the different sizes available of the Billy Bookcase, as well as the adjustable shelves. If you need to display something tall, such as a plant, you can always remove a shelf completely. 13. Custom paint. While many built-in Billy bookcase hacks make use of trim to create a cohesive look with the rest of the space, paint is also a great option. This navy blue Billy makeover is a stunner and proves that there's something to be said for going bold. The end result? Storage and an accent wall. 14. Playroom storage. Anyone with young children knows how key it is to have proper playroom storage. This child-friendly entertainment center, composed of Billy bookcases, is outfitted with colorful, easy-to-reach storage baskets, which might just teach little ones to tidy up after themselves. 15. Reading nook. This Billy bookcase hack perfectly frames the window and window seat with tall bookcases and then adds one more to cover the rest of the wall. Trim is added to keep the molding continuous around the room.